Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my channel. Here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, you name it. So if this is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, enjoy us, share the family. I like to say thank you so much to my return supporters. Appreciate you guys a bunch. Thank you. So today we're going to be unboxing our May Boxycharm, and this month's Boxycharm theme is Super Bloom. You guys know, spring, all the flowers, amazing. So alright, so let's get into this video so this video gets so long. So the first product that we have here is Skin INS Serum Glow Filter. Okay, that's what we have here. I did film a little piece of the video trying on the product, so I'm gonna put it on one of my sites here for you guys to see. And let me just open before we see. So I'm really excited for this product. So this is great. So as they say here, this help brighten the skin, even skin tone, and help reduce appearance of fine lines, which is great, and plump the skin. So I'm really looking forward to this serum. And if you can see, they actually have like a micro capsule on them for super hydration. And this beauty here retails for $50. Okay, better do the job. So it actually feels really good on the skin when you put it on. So glow up with the world's finest skincare makeup serum, glow filter, blending beauty and technology. This clever concoction is formulated with a rare gold hibiscus extract and Skin INS top 2 best-selling serum, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid to give you a selfie filter in real life. It's perfect for day use and it's personalized to your skin tone using light reflective technology that enables external light to bounce off your skin, in creating a glowy personalized finish and reduce the appearance of pores and red skin tone. And this beauty here retails for $50. Alright, so I'm looking forward for this product because it actually looks amazing. So let's go to our next product. And our next product here, oh, I'm so super excited for this product. Super excited. When I first got the my box was at nighttime, so I just opened the box. I was tired and I just looked through, so I didn't pay attention. So when I saw the bottle, I actually thought that this was going to be like a face wash or something. Then next morning when I was going through the box before we started filming, this is a Honeymoon Glow Body Serum with 12% of AHA and BHA acid, Resurfacing serum with honey and prickly pear. So I'm super excited for this because this actually helps you to hydrate the bodies and help to, like, you know, to rogue skin, help eliminate bumps with 10% of lactic acid and plus 2% of BHA acid, help improve the texture and tone for smoother glowing skin. Apply to clean skin, use nightly 2 to 3 times a week. So then you can build up for more frequently use, and you can feel like a little slight tingly sensation, but you should not using that on a fresh shaved skin. So you should, if you shave today, wait for use the product maybe tomorrow. But I'm looking forward for this, you know, for like bikini lines and axial places like that you want smooth So let's put this beauty down. Let's go to our next product. Our next product is going to be Seattle London Dewy Blush. Oh, I love this blush I'm using today. I applied this blush on the top of makeup. I did my makeup and it was amazing how I actually didn't move my makeup from underneath. So I apply with a brush and then I blend with a sponge, but I just love the glass looking feeling. Look how glowy this look, amazing, love the results. And here we have this beauty here, so we're going to be trying. So Dewy Blush is next gen gel balm tinted blush that is set to shake up the refresh your beauty routine. Gone are the days of chalky powder blush with all natural lightweight fit. Dewy Blush leaves just a subtle hint of color that you apply to the cheeks, blending effortless into a modern glass-like sheen. Formulate with a natural extract of yuzu and the dragon fruit. The blush brightens your base, leaving your skin with an even and healthy flush of color. And this beauty here is from Seattle London and retails for $22. The finish is gorgeous. Look at that. I loved it. I love the feel of dewy skin. It's just really beautiful. I love it. And if you see that's a little light, that actually is a little light. If you're looking for a little bit of more pigmentation, I would apply a little darker blush underneath and go with this on the top just for this glass skin finishing. It's gorgeous, love it. It's really beautiful and does not give you like the greasy feeling, you know. You can see I'm touching, but still sheen. It's not like the product is not moving. It's just beautiful. Love this beauty here. And this beauty, like I said, retails for $22. So let's put this beauty down and go to our next product. Love it. Is V Cosmetic Creamy Liquid Velvet Lipstick, and this is the shade. The shade is Bubbly. Beautiful, stunning shade. Love it. I'm so glad that whoever did my PR box picked this shade for me, because the shade is gorgeous, so beautiful. Unlikely any other lip color you ever seen. Formulate to be creamy, lightweight, and long-lasting wearing. Make a unique statement with your fashion-forward vibe. This beauty here retails for $22, and V Cosmetic is new brand to Boxycharm, so welcome to Boxy. Amazing. Love the finish. I love the color, gorgeous. It's definitely matte, but it's not drying up my lips, not sticking, very comfortable wearing. Love it. Let's put this beauty down and go to our next, last but not least. And last here is Basic Beauty Eyeshadow Primer. I have the primer. Basic Beauty Eyeshadow Primer. This is eyelid primer base. Formulate with hemp seed oil to moisturize and maximize the color intensity of the crease-free look that lasts up to 12 hours. And this is from Shop Basic Beauty. Love it. I'm using today under my eyeshadow and it works very well. I really like the product. And we also got in Boxycharm this refreshment Dazzling 5 Blade Raisin Kit Coral Blush. I think that's the color. So let's open this beauty. So that's what it looks like. super beautiful. That's what the razor look like. And it also comes with this little piece here that you can attach, and have the glue in the back that you can glue to your bathroom. So let's check out the blades. So I'm gonna open one of the blades and put it on so you guys can see it. And that's what the razor look like. Super nice. 5 blades. The head move back and forth. It does have what look like maybe like a little gel in here. Super cute. Glide gracefully all over curves and make way smoother. 5 blades with a smoothing strip of extra close shave. Weight handle elevated blade, preventing inverted storage, designed to keep your blade fresh and dry. This is really nice, and they say it's really nice if you pair with the pillowy shave cream for even smoother shave. Very nice. So this also we got on May Boxycharm, and this I think that was extra, the 6th product. Thank you for watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and if you are subscribed, don't forget to like. I see you guys next Boxycharm unboxing, and the link for Boxycharm is going to be in the description of this video. And if you don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly beauty box subscription that for $27 I think, or $27.99, you get every month a beautiful box like this with 5 full-size products, and you are able to customize one of the product on the website. And they also have box premium, luxe box, that's a color box. Great stuff. Go check them out if you didn't yet. Alright, see you later. Bye.